I'm presenting a capstone project for the MIT xPro course that I'm taking. This is an application that has a front end and back end, and it's deployed through DigitalOcean. This is going to go through my front end, which is basically uses React components and sharing context. And I think the idea was to be able to track a user across the different components. But anyway, I'll explain this architecture that I have here as we go on. But first, this is our landing page. And the first thing you do is create an account. Do Mark 400 at mit.edu, and my secret code. I'll just show you it has to be more than 8 characters, or else it won't log me in. So I submit, and now account created successfully. So I want to log in. Mark 400 mit.edu, and a secret code. And so now Mark 400 is logged in. You can see it up at the top. I could log out if I want and log in a new user, but now I'm going to show you. It's kept. I know that it's me because it keeps me logged in up here. So I want to add to this balance. I add $100. I want to make another deposit. -20. Oh no, I can't deposit a negative number. Let me try it. It's a withdrawal, so I want to take away 20. Oh, it can't withdraw. It has to be a positive number, so it's not a -20. I want to withdraw 20. Okay. So now my balance is 80. It's kept that. I can check everybody's data in this bank because it's a bad bank. I did not. It is very. There's not really any authentication. Yeah, I see this newest user down at the bottom, and I see all the other users that I created when I was practicing. And let's see, what else should I show? I think that's it for the application. I can show the log out. So now I'm logged out, and now it says log into an account. So I can pick another user and log in. And hopefully I remember this correctly. Oh, email. And so this user is logged in, and this user doesn't have a balance, so I can do the same thing. Now I'm going to move over to the architecture here. It was a bit challenging for me, and I just basically got it to work one way or another. It's not exactly the cleanest way. I would love to be able to spend a lot more time and get it nice and clean, but this is actually what is going on. I have an index.html file, and that holds all of the React libraries, the Bootstrap library, and Babel. And then I have the main concept is shared context, and I define that in the values of that shared context in index.js. And those values are set when accounts are created, when people log in and out, when deposits are made and withdrawn. That all affects this shared context. And that also affects what is shown in the nav bar. The shared context is included in the nav bar. So basically, if there's nobody logged in, your only options are to log in or create an account. Once you're logged in, you have options to deposit, withdraw, or look at everybody's data. And then I don't have a balance tab because the balance is just shown with the deposit and withdrawal, but I do have a balance component that is referenced through the deposit and withdrawal components. And then the forms, I have 2 forms, and those are also based on the shared context. Whatever is going on on the page, the form will change. So if I want to add another deposit, you see the form changes and it shows me I can add an amount here. And I was able to share those forms across all of the components. And that's about it. Thank you.